Hi! Sorry I scared you. But look, this is what we're here to make. Aww. Isn't she so cute? And thank you so much for purchasing my pattern. I'm so excited to take this journey with you. Yay! And if you get a little froggy, please tag me in your pictures of your finished product. I would love to see it. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for sitting through that weirdness, and let's begin. Woo! Okay, awesome. Now that you got that down, hopefully you did, we are going to continue crocheting. Yeah. Okay, right here. Now pause for a minute. Okay, you see this? Don't do this. Make sure you don't do this, because it can get confusing. The next one over. Boom. Pull it through, and you're always going to tuck your yarn tail into your stitches. Every stitch you do. Make sure to tuck your yarn tail into your stitches until there's no more yarn tail, and then you're good to go. And then you can just leave the rest of the millimeters left of yarn tail just sitting inside the leg. No one's gonna know it exists. It's our secret. Shh.